Welcome. I've already removed the cylinder from the car, as well as from the lock. This cylinder is for a Mercedes-Benz 1990 to 2002 R129 SL. The part number is 129 800 2172. To remove the cylinder from the latch, you'll have to remove some small snap rings that hold on the pins. Remove the pin from the other side and set it aside. Next, take your Mercedes-Benz wrench or an 8mm, put it on the top, and remove the shaft from the bolt. I would recommend using some sort of very fine-tipped flathead screwdriver. Both of these options I have here are available from Harbor Freight. You want to take the flathead, put it on top of the small metal snap ring that you see inside there on the very edge. You want to pry in between the top edge and the exterior of the cylinder. You want to press down firmly and once you get underneath it, continue rotating the screwdriver to remove it. Hold your hand tight over the top of the cylinder because the snap ring will fly across the room. Next, you can pull the shaft out by wiggling it a little bit and giving it a few tugs. Then, leave the back washer and slide the rest of the assembly out. There's a piece of the disintegrated O-ring. Take your same flathead and pry the cup seal out. This particular seal is missing an entire half. Once you've placed the new O-ring into the shaft, slide it on. Making sure that the rear washer is still there. Next, place it in the cylinder case. Be sure it's seated fully, and you can use a screwdriver to do the job. And there we go. Thank you very much for watching. If you feel like you can't do this service yourself, feel free to visit dfwcylinders.com. Feel free to like and leave a comment if you have any questions.